Hey everybody, this is Shane with Haul Supply in Garfield, Arkansas. Today I want to feature our new covered wagon 7x16 UTV trailer. A couple of the cool things that I really like about this trailer is this is a blackout package, and we'll start with the frame on it. So you have the 6-inch tube frame, V-nose comes out. One of the things that Covered Wagon is very big on is doing the Cobra actual plating on it that they do, so you don't run into any type of rust or anything like that. The 2 5/16 ball, you got the 2K jack on here, super nice. Got the 7-way on there. It also is prepped for anything as far as like if you want some extra lighting inside, you can do that. It's got the 2-foot stone guard on the front of it. This is the, like I said, the blackout package. This is a 080 composite that they're doing on the side of it. If you notice the height on this, so you're at 7 foot 6 inches on the interior height on it. The neat thing that they're adding on this is this fold out, pull out actual step that they're doing. So if you have a UTV, if you have something that you want to put in there like a 4-wheeler or something like that, the access of this, the ease of it is super cool. This is a 48-inch opening here. So if you have to get out, walk into it, you have options here. It comes standard with the 3,500-pound axle on it. Super neat. Finish on this, if you notice, everything is really good as far as the quality, the way that they build this. Super good. Coming around to the side of it, all the LEDs all the way around it. So if you're in a situation, you actually have really good lighting around there. One of the things that I really like about this door is the counterbalance option that they're putting on it. So a lot of people say, hey, you know, I need some help with the door because of the way that it's set up. This is really neat. It's very easy to let down. Got the fold out. And then you also have the transition strip. So a lot of people will have something that they have to roll inside of here, and having the transition strip, super neat. So you got 4 tie downs. It's got the vents along the side of it. The neat thing on the interior of it, if you notice the space and the height on it. So if you have to put something in there that's super tall, it's not a big deal. 3/8 on the side walls, 3/4 inch on the plywood on the floor on it. 16-inch on centers. If you're thinking about something for a quality built cargo trailer, this marks all of the check boxes for you. So that's something that is really nice. They just do stuff that's extra, like little handles on the side. They go above and beyond when they build their stuff. They're very particular about the details. If you notice the grease zerks and the actual hinges, that is just high-end quality stuff that people don't really take into consideration when they're building these, knowing that the door's going up and down. So they pay attention to stuff like that. Very user-friendly. If you come along the side over here, actual vents on the side. The bigger door that they're putting on here is a big deal because there's times that you have to put something in this trailer that you need a wider opening. So one of the cool things that they do is they go ahead and give you one. So Superior Door is the company that makes it. Covered Wagon also owns them. So if you're looking for something that is high quality, very good price point, you guys need to come out here to Haul Supply in Garfield. It's a family-owned business. They've been around for over 20 years. They're big on service after the sale. The prices are right. Super cool to work for a company like this. And I just want you guys to know that we have the inventory. Come out and see us.